Hello friends, today I am going to explain about the Mysore under the Divans, special reference to the ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಷಯ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ದಿವಾನರಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಮೋಕ್ಷಗುಂಡಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ, more commonly known as Sir M.V., was an Indian civil engineer, statesman and the 19th Diwan of the Mysore. Serving from 1912 to 1919, he pursued his degree from one of the best and the third oldest engineering college in Asia, College of the Engineering, Pune. He received India's highest honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1955. He was knighted as a Knight Commander of the British Indian Empire by King George V for his contribution to the public good. His birthday, 15 September, is celebrated as Engineers Day in India, Sri Lanka and Tanzania in his memory. He was the chief engineer of Krishnaraja Sagara Dam in the northwest suburb of Mysore city and also served as one of the chief engineer of the flood protection system for the city of Hyderabad. Let us know about the biography of the Sir M. Vishwesvaraya. Vishwesvaraya was born in the Telugu Brahmin family to the Mokshagundam Srinivasa and Venkatalaxmamma, hailing from the Mokshagundam village in the present Andhra Pradesh. Sir M. Vishwesvaraya was born in the Muddenhalli of Mysore Kingdom, present Chikkaballapura district of Karnataka state. He took a job as an assistant engineer with the Public Works Department of Bombay and later was invited to join the Indian Irrigation Commission. He implemented an intact system of irrigation in the Deccan Plateau and designed and patented a system of automatic water floodgates that were first installed in 1903 at Kadkavasala Reservoir near Pune. These gates raised the storage level in the reservoir to the highest level likely to be attained without causing damage to the dam. Based on the success of these gates, the same system was installed at Tigra Dam in Gwalior and Krishnaraja Sagara KRS Dam in Mandya, Mysore, Karnataka. In 1906-1907, the government of India sent him to Aden to study water supply and drainage system. The project prepared by him was implemented and Aden successfully. Vishwesvaraya achieved the celebrity status when he designed a flood protection system for city of Hyderabad. He was instrumental in the development a system to protect Visakhapatnam port from sea erosion. This dam created the biggest reservoir in Asia. When it was built, Vishwesvaraya gave his technical advice for the location of Mokama Bridge over Ganga in Bihar. At the time of he was over 90-year-old and was called the father of modern Mysore state. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂಥ ನಿದರ್ಶನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಚರಿತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಅದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಲವಾರು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Career timeline of the Sir M. Vishwesvaraya. Assistant engineer in Bombay, 1885, served link Nasik, Khandesh, mainly in Dhule district and Pune. Service lent to the municipality of Sukkur, Sindh Prant, 1894, designed and carried out water works for the municipality. Executive engineer Surat, 1896, assistant superintendent engineer Pune, 1897 to 1899, visited China and Japan in the year of 1898. Executive engineer for irrigation Pune, 1899, sanitary engineer Bombay and member sanitary board in 1901, gave evidence before Indian Irrigation Commission, designed and constructed automatic gates patented by him at Lake 5 storage reservoir, introduced new system of irrigation known as Brock system 1903, represented the Bombay government at the Civil Irrigation Commission in 1904, on special duty 1905, superintending engineer 1907, visited Egypt, Canada, United States and Russia in 1908. Consisting consulting engineer to Hyderabad, Nizam State. Supervised and carried out engineering works in Musi River, Hyderabad floods of 1909. Retired from British service in the year of 1909. Chief Engineer and Secretary to the Government of Mysore, 1909. Diwan of Mysore, Public Works Department and Railway, 1932. Board of Director. So, this was the major achievement and major work he done for the development of the Mysore state as well as the Mysore contribution. Diwan of Mysore. After opting for voluntary retirement in 1908, he took a foreign tour to study the industrialization. Then for a short period he worked for the Nizam of Hyderabad. He suggested flood relief measures for Hyderabad, which was under constant threat by the Musi River in November 1909. Visvesvaraya was appointed Chief Engineer of Mysore State. Further in 1912, he was appointed as Diwan, Second Minister of Mysore, and served as 7 years. With support from Krishnaraja Vadeyar IV, Maharaja of Mysore, Visvesvaraya contributed to the general development of Mysore. He was instrumental in the founding Government Engineering College at Bangalore in 1907, one of the first engineering institutions in India. This institution was later named University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering. He commissioned several new railway lines in Mysore state. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ದಿವಾನರಾಗಿ 10 ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಅವರು. ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ, ಇವರು 10 ಹಲವಾರು ಒಂದು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಗೌರವಗಳನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ವಾಸ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಎಂಪೈರ್ in 1911. In 1915, while he was Diwan of Mysore, Visvesvaraya was a knighted as Knight Commander of the Order of the Indian Empire by the British for his contributions to the public good. After India attained independence, he was awarded the nation's highest honor, Bharat Ratna, in 1955, an honorary membership of London Institutions of Civil Engineers, a fellowship from the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, and several honorary degrees including DSc, LLD, DLit from 8 universities. In India, he was the president of the 1923 sessions of the Indian Session Congress, as well as the most popular person in Karnataka according to the newspaper Prajavani. On 15 September 2018, to celebrate his 157th birthday, Visvesvaraya was honored with the Google Doodle. Recognition. Visvesvaraya received recognition in many fields, most notably education and engineering. Visvesvaraya Technological University in Belgavi, to which most engineering colleges in Karnataka are affiliated, was named in his honor, as well as prominent colleges like University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering Bangalore, Sir M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology Bangalore, and Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology Nagpur. The College of Engineering Pune, his alma mater, erected a statue in his honor. The Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum Bangalore is named in his honor. Two metro stations in the India, one in Bangalore on the Purple Line, Sir M. Visvesvaraya Station, Central College, and another one in Delhi on the Pink Line, Sir M. Visvesvaraya Moti Bagh, are named after him. So this was the recognition of the Sir M. Visvesvaraya. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದರು, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಎಟ್ ಮುದ್ದೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ. ದ ಸಮಾಧಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ at ಮುದ್ದೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ. Visvesvaraya National Memorial Trust manages a memorial of Visvesvaraya at his birthplace of Muddenhalli. The memorial exhibits his awards, title and personal belongings, including his living room, spectacles, cups, books and blocks with which his visiting cards were printed. Models of Krishnaraja Sagara Dam, which Visvesvaraya designed and supervised the construction of are exhibited. The memorial is adjacent to his house, which was refurbished and regarded as a temple by locals. So here are some important reference textbooks for the study of the Sir M. Visvesvaraya, how he was worked as a Diwan for the development of the Mysore. So by Narsingh Raju Naidu, Insight into the Karnataka History, by the Dr. S. N. Shivrudurappa, History and Culture of Karnataka, by the B. P. Hugar, History of Karnataka, by K. R. Basaraju, Cultural History of Karnataka, by Visvesvaraya M. Reconstructing India. So these are the important and referential textbooks for the study of the Sir M. Visvesvaraya. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರಮಾರ್ಶಿಕ ಗ್ರಂಥವನ್ನು ತಾವು ಓದಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.